Lightning McQueen, Guido, Snotrod, Chucky, Chick Hicks, Luigi. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with Disney's cars. Let's start off with Lightning McQueen. And Lightning McQueen is on the red can. Red. Ooh. And we have Armour Up Baymax from Big Hero 6. And next, awesome, we have Lightning McQueen. He looks a little angry. Ka-chow! Ka-chow! Next, we have Luigi. And Luigi is on the yellow can. Yellow. Woof, 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 woof. We have Rubble from Paw Patrol. Woof, 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 woof. Ruff, ruff. And next, awesome, we have Luigi in his pit crew outfit. Next we have Guido, and Guido is on the blue can. Blue. Who's this? We have Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Oh, he's so cool. And next, fantastic, we also have Pit Crew Guido. He's super cool. Our next can, we have Chick Hicks, and he's on the green can. Green. Who is it? Hey! And we have the car himself, Chick Hicks. He's so cool. And next, hey! And we have Toby from Sheriff Callie's Wild West. Okay, so now we have Snotrod, and he's on the orange can. Orange. And here we have Dash from Thomas and Friends. And next, fantastic, we have Snotrod. Whoa, he's so cool. Next we have Chucky, and she's on the pink can. Pink. And here we have Loretta from Miles from Tomorrowland. And next we have... Awesome! We've got the super adorable Chucky! Can you remember what colours we've used today? Green, pink, blue, orange, yellow, red. Joy, bing bong, anger, fear, disgust, sadness. Today on SETC we're going to be learning colours with Disney's Inside Out. Yellow, ooh, what do we have here? And we have... Ha ha ha, awesome! We have anger. I'm angry. Oh, he's so cool. Just look at that awesome suit and that tie. Oh, he's so awesome. I am not awesome. I am angry. Blue. Okay, what's in here? Ooh. First up we have Judy Hopps from Zootopia, or Zootropolis as it's known here in the UK. Oh, Judy Hopps is super cool. Have you seen Zootopia yet? If you have, let us know in the comments below. Our next surprise? Haha, awesome! And we have Luigi from Disney's Cars. Wow! So you can see he's got a 95 sticker on him. So he's part of Lightning McQueen's pit crew. Orange. Ooh, who's in here? Ha ha ha, I know who this is. Ooh, who's in here? Ha ha ha, I know who this is. So we've got the adorable Sadness from Inside Out. Oh, just check out that adorable little face. She's super cute. Do you like Sadness? If you do, let us know in the comments below. Okay, next. Pink. Ooh. First up, we have Applejack from My Little Pony. And next, oh wow, we have Clover from Princess Sophia the First. Wow, it looks like they're doing a little bit of a dance. They are super cool. Green. Ooh, what's in here?
Hello.
Awesome. So we've got Oogie Boogie from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Wow, he's so cool. Just check out those little dice. Red. Okay, so first of all, we have a Disney squishy Tsum Tsum of Mickey Mouse.
Squish, 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 squish.
Oh, he's super adorable. And next, ooh, we've got Hallie the Hippo from Doc McStuffins. Wow, and this one's a hanger. Whoa, she's super adorable. And she's got her little clip chart as well. Are you a fan of Doc McStuffins? If you are, let us know. Can you remember what colours we've used today? Blue, pink, yellow, orange, green, red,